Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to practice with some basic keyboard shortcuts that will make you more efficient while working with spreadsheets. Let's begin with the Select All shortcut. So if your active cell is within the table or arrangement of numbers, if we use the Control A, the Control key and the A key, it will select all of the range. If you happen to be outside of those numbers, Control A will select the entire sheet. You can also do that by moving your mouse up. If you're going to be using a mouse, right up here above the 1 and before the A, click on it, it will select the entire worksheet. Let's say your data goes way down several pages. And if we want to be able to go home instantly, we would hold the Control key down and the Home key, and it should take you back to A1. Let's say I want to include an entire row. Select an entire row, I would hold the Shift key down and the space bar. It will include the entire row. If I wanted to include an entire column, I would hold the Control key and the space bar. It will now select the entire column. But let's say I want to select just the data below the heading. So if I put my active cell on B2, for instance, on this example, if I hold the Control, Shift, and the down arrow, it will select everything in that column, even if it goes several pages down. Same, likewise, if we want to select the text on the row, or the numbers on the row, I would hold the Control Shift, right arrow key. Let's say I want to insert a column. The first thing I want to do is select the column with the Control space bar, followed by Control Shift plus. That will insert a column. Likewise, if I want to insert a row, I would select the entire row with the Shift and the space bar, followed by Control Shift and the plus sign. And that will insert a row for you. If I wanted to delete a column, I would select the column first with the Control spacebar, followed by the Control key and the minus sign. Likewise, if I want to delete a row, I would select the row with the Shift and the space bar, followed by the Control and the minus key. Hopefully, these shortcuts help you out in creating and working with a worksheet. There are many more shortcuts in Excel, and we will look at more as we progress in the lessons. For now, practice and master these shortcuts. I will see you in the next lesson.